Mi naitwa Gerald Kalicha na huyu ni bibi yangu anaitwa Regina Wairimu, na sisi ni wazazi wa Bili Wanyiri Mwangi, yule ambaye alikuwa abducted on Saturday 21st at around 3 p.m. there. Because in a nutshell, because I have talked about this story so many times, that guy went to barber shop just here in town, and I remember when I called him at around 3:45, his number was unobtainable. Simu yake ilikuwa mteja. Nikampigia 3:47 again because I wanted him to come over, and he was again mteja. So when I called my wife, and I told him, Billy, I cannot get Billy through the phone, whether she has any information. And she told me that she had also called him, and the phone is still the same mteja. So we gave him time, maybe something was wrong or the phone was out of power or something. So when my wife came at around saa moja, then again we revisited the issue. The guy is nowhere to be found, and he is still mteja. So we started to get worried, because this guy, it is very uncharacteristic for him not to say where he is, and also for his phone to go off, and again at 7 actually he's always in the house. So after that, we agreed with my wife, let us go and start looking for the guy. And I took a friend here. We went to police. We reported the matter. We went to Embu General Hospital to check whether anything could happen. We were shown the register. He was nowhere there. We went across to the headquarters police, because there is also a station there. In case he was locked inside, he was not there. So the whole night we did not sleep. We kept on trying. So when I came back now at around 11, I think it was 22:57 there. I can check my phone. I sat there and started browsing my phone, going through those numbers which we had communicated with. And I came across this number which had called me at 3:36. Then I called the guy, the number. It went through, but the subscriber was not answering. So I just left on that note. Then within no time, he called me back. I missed his call. Then I called him again. Then the guy tells me, Baba Bili, huyu ni Brian, ule wa kinyozi. Nilijaribu kukupigia saa 9 na sikupati, nimekupigia sana.